Hello Bishop State students. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can look up your courses to find your CRN numbers. So again, we're under the Student tab. Click on Registration. Then click on Look Up Classes. From here, we'll select Fall 2020 Term and hit Submit. Then you search by subject. So say you're looking for an economics course. Select View Sections. And again, you find your section with the CRN number, subject and course number, title, instructor's information, and we select that checkbox. And from here, we can just hit register if this is only class that we want to take, or we just want to add classes individually. Click on register, and you see it brings us back to that screen with the current schedule. It shows that you just added that additional course. Of course, we already had Part 100 on file for us, so we just added Economics 231. So what else we can do is go back out to the Student tab, go into Registration, and we can select Student Detail Schedule, and it'll show each course that we've registered for, and show the instructor's name, the CRN number. We can look at the times and days. This is an online course. Both of these are online courses. So of course they won't have times and days on those, but that's where your information will be for those. Okay, students. Another thing that we can look at is you can view your unofficial academic transcript. We'll do that by selecting Student Records, then select an unofficial transcript, and then just hit Submit. And you'll see your transcript. Any transfer credit that you have will appear first, followed by your credits at Bishop State, and you can see all your classes for each course that you've taken, all the way up through the spring 20 semester as of now. Once the summer semester has been finalized, which will be in the next month or so, you'll also be able to view your summer 20 grades on your transcript and banner as well. Another thing that you can view is your student profile. In your student profile, it will show all of your basic biographical information along with your general information. If you notice on this side of the screen, any courses that you've registered for already, it'll give you that information right here. It shows your overall hours, your overall GPA. And notice the registration notices and holds. If you have any holds on your account, such as an advising hold, which just means you need to be authorized to register, or any financial aid holds, admissions holds, those will appear right here for you to see. And any registration notices, anything that will prevent you from registering, you can view those notices right here as well. Any testing scores that you have, ACT, AccuPlace or placement test, high school scores. If you click on prior education and testing, you'll see that those scores are right here. Also, you can see your high school information, high school that you graduated from. So all that information is right there for you to view as well. If you're looking for your advisor's information is going to be down at the bottom of the screen. And your advisor will depend on what program that you're in. To check what program that you're currently in, if you go back to curriculum and courses, you will notice under the curriculum hours and GPA, you'll see the degree and your program. General education is the program for this student, and their degree seeking an associate in science degree. Okay, students, something else that I want you to be mindful of, if you're ever looking for your A number, the A number will be located right here in this top right corner next to your name. This student's information has been masked, so you won't be able to see it. But in this area of the screen, when you're logged into your banner, this is where you can find your A number. It'll be right next to your name. Okay, students, lastly, under student account, this is where you can view any account summary information, if the amount of charges that you may owe, what your registration charges will be once you register for your courses. If you're looking for a 1098, when tax time comes around, that information will be under here as well. This TouchNet menu item If you select that, this will take you to the portal where you will be able to pay for your classes once you're registered and set up. So just take note that if you're trying to pay a bill or pay for your registration charges, this is the screen that you will come to. And again, we'll go back out to that main screen. You'll select TouchNet. And once you've done that, it's going to open up this screen for you to make a payment. You can add payments such as a credit card or debit card. Excuse me. And anything that you need as far as the business office, you can find that information here. Okay, lastly, students, if you're looking for your financial aid information, click on the financial aid tab and you can view your financial aid status, any amount that you've been awarded. If you have any holds or any other information that the financial aid office needs can be found under financial aid status. You just select 2021 aid year. This student doesn't have anything right now, but this is where you will find your financial aid information. You can view your awards, which you've been awarded in financial aid, any amounts that you may owe back, anything of that nature can be found under this tab. So anything dealing with financial aid, if financial aid asks for you to go log into your self-service banner and view your financial aid information, this is where you will find that information. Okay, students, well, that was a brief overview of what self-service banner looks like and what you will be using going forward.